Hello everyone. Microsoft Excel 2013 complete training program from basic to intermediate. In today's session, we will learn a basic working on Excel 2013, and in this session, we'll learn how to make weekdays, um, month on Excel, date, serial number, table, delete, and any text you want to auto generate, like if Excel generates week and months, if it generates auto, so how you can generate your own list. You can auto generate your own list, and how to copy and paste, and how to do the cut and paste, how to adjust the width and length of the column or a cell, how to wrap the text. So in today's session, we will learn all this. Okay, let's start. Um, week. If Let's start to generate a week in Excel sheet. I've typed Saturday. Okay, once you type the Saturday, then you have to take your bar to this icon, and once it convert into the plus sign, just drag it down by holding your mouse. That's how it creates uh, weekdays. Okay, now months. How you generate months? Okay, type again, then take your cursor to the sign. Once you convert it into the plus sign, just hold your mouse and drag it down. So that's how you create months in Excel. Okay, let's do it again. Type again, take your cursor to the sign. Once it converted into the plus sign, just hold it and drag it down. All right, you created your months. And how to create date? Let's type first Jan 2023. Okay, then take your cursor to the sign, hold your mouse and drag it down. All right. Okay, let's do it again. Like type first July 2023. Oh, sorry, first July 2023. Take your cursor to the sign. Once convert it into the plus sign, hold it and drag it down. That's how we create date in Excel. Okay, serial number. Now here you have to bit uh, you have to learn an additional uh, function. If you type one and if you keep repeating the same thingy, it will not create the serial number. It will repeat the same number. So how will you create the serial numbers then? Okay, just type one. Take your cursor to the sign. Once it converted into the plus, then hold the control button on your keyboard. Then just drag it down. That's how we create a serial number. Okay, if you want to create table of two, then you just type 2 and 4. Take it into the range by selecting both the cells and bring your cursor to the sign. Hold it and drag it down. That's how you create a table in Excel. Okay, if you want to delete anything, you have two multiple four. You can delete your data. You have four methods to delete it. Like select the columns, just press the delete, it's gone. And let's do it undo. How you do undo? Control Z, or by pressing this button. Undo auto fill. All right. Uh, okay. Second step is just select the cells, press the delete button, Control Z to undo. Okay. Step method 3 is like selecting the rows, press delete button, it's gone. Control Z to undo. Okay. And fourth is just bring your cursor to this in this arrow, which is in between A and 1. Select once you click, and on the arrow you will see whole sheet is selected. Just press the delete button. Okay. You can even delete it by backspace, but backspace, what it does, once you press the escape button, it will come again. So escape, backspace doesn't delete your data completely. All right, okay. Now how to auto generate the your own list. You customize this, like Excel has generated this, like Saturday Sunday. How did Excel did it? How Excel creates the list? Okay. For example, we have employees, we have data of employees, and if you want to create employees list, and you need the list multiple times while you're working. So for example, you have like Fahim, Murtaza, Simir, Daniel, Holland, uh, Hey. You can do. And to do this, you have to go to the File tab, go all the way down to the Options, and then press Advanced button. Then go down to the Edit Custom List. Now you have to type it again. See, I have already deleted this. All right. Okay. Okay. Add new one. Fahim, Murtaza, Smith, Daniel, Colin, Hey. Okay. Press Add button. Then press OK. Then press OK. All right. Now see. I want to create my list maybe here or somewhere here. Okay, yeah, here. Fahim. You have to do it again. Same practice. Take your cursor to the side and hold your mouse. Drag it down. See, drag it down so you will get your customized list. Okay, if you want to print the same list in horizontal pattern, so you can do it. All right. Okay. That's how generate that's how you generate the customized auto list. Okay, now how to delete, copy and paste. Let's copy this. Then step method one, press the copy button, then just press paste. If you want to copy multiple times, then go to your required cell, print the plus button. All right. Once you done by multiple copy paste, and in your last activity you have to press your enter button to undo the selection of this of copy. Okay, that's how you create copies. Let's delete it. All right. Okay, and now for cut paste. For cut paste you have to, okay, method two is just control C and control V, control V, control V, control V. Now we are done. Press the enter. Okay, for cut and paste, select the data. Thing is cut and paste. See, it has gone. It's okay. Uh, cut method two is click your mouse, right click your mouse, go to cut and paste. All right. Okay, that's how you do cut and paste. Okay, what is auto adjust? Or like, okay, like if I type anything, Hussein is working hard. Yeah, I'm working hard. Daniel is the boy. He got, uh, you see the text went outside the width of the column, and even the second line. Why why word is just out of the width of the column. So one thing, first step to adjust the width of the column. For that, you have to take your cursor in between the line of the column like W and V, and you see a sign of two arrows. Once you see the two arrows for towards left, right and left, hold and drag towards the right side. Okay. See, it's adjusted again. It's adjusted. Okay. Then undo it. Now you want to basically, if you have multiple data like here and there and there, what how you will do? You can't do it again and again. And for doing so, what you do, you'll take the cursor in between here and just double click it. It will adjust auto if it is on in the entire sheet. If you have a lot of data, like let's do it. Means yeah, like this. Yeah, like, if you want to auto adjust these all cell columns and cells, you just double click it. See, it will auto adjust the whole sheet. All right. Okay. Um, and what is wrap text? Like you don't want to increase the width of the column, but you want to adjust the same text or data within the width. So for that, you have to wrap the text. All right. Here we go. Okay, we are done with today's session. Today we have learned how to create week, month, date, serial number table, delete, auto generate, copy, paste, cut, paste, auto adjust, wrap the text. All right, we are. Thank you very much.